Hey guys, welcome to my channel Vixie, and today what we're going to do is we're going to do a root smudge or root shadow, how other hairdressers call it, and if you know it, and I'll explain what that is. When you do highlights, that's what I've done, and if you have not watched the video, go back on the videos and see how I've done that, my own highlights. And before that I have a video of showing you how to mix your own bleach at home to get the best result. And right, root smudge or root shadow is when you apply the permanent color on your roots, so the growth looks more natural, and because you do get sometimes that warmth in the roots when you do highlights, because your hair is very dark, or you do it like me by yourself. And this is how, and like you can see, I cannot get them by myself so close to the root, so I'm going to do root smudge, and when the hair start growing more, it will actually look so natural, and like that I don't have to do my highlights very regularly. So for the root smudge I have a sweet, and I have to drop that because probably I sound really terrible. So what I'm using for the root smudge is Igora Vibrance. I wanted to try that for so long and I've never had it done, and I'm so excited to see the final result, and hopefully it's not like oopsie daisy, because we did have bad experiment in this channel before, and if you haven't seen these videos yet, you can go and have a look. So I'm using Igora Vibrance, which is 5 and 612. So 5 and 612. 5 is the dark, like not that dark brown, like let's say between dark and light brown, and 612 is the dark blonde, which has a hint of ash and a hint of purple, and that will help with neutralizing the warmth in the hair, the orange. So we know the blue neutralizes orange and purple neutralizes yellow, and that's what we want, because I do not want my root shadow to be warm. I want to be cool, because that's the colors I like. And for mixing that, so that's a demi-permanent color. Demi-permanent color, that means it will be much easier for me to highlight the hair later on. I won't get that warmth, and it will wash off a little bit after the time, so it's not that strong like the permanent, so I will be able to lift my hair next time. So for the mixing ratio, you mix that 1:1, which is a bit, because it's only 60 ml of the bottle, and the bottle is just that big. So for me, I will use both bottles, and I will mix it 1:1, which means I will put the whole bottle of 612 and the whole bottle of 50, and which means my hair, my natural hair color is level 5, so I will go just slightly a little bit lighter. And because I want to go a bit light, I don't like my natural so dark color, I will put 1.9%, which is 6 developer, and that will just slightly probably lift my hair, but not that much, it's just a little bit. And I really wanted to get the other one, which lifts a little bit more, but I got the wrong peroxide, and I'm not in the salon, so well, it's probably meant to be, so we'll do that. We use that and see, because we want to go a bit dark on for the highlights, but originally I wanted to get the other one. So now again it's another experiment. So I have this bottle, which is from Schwarzkopf, and I have my scale, so make sure you mix it 1:1. So I could have gone a bit less because it's a whole bottle, but because I'm gonna do a little bit back of my hair and it has more natural, so I don't want to get too many different colors. I could have gone like 1.5 tube, but that's okay, it's best to have more than less. And so 120 ml of the color and 120 ml of the peroxide, and we put the gloves because that will stain a little bit. And every time before I do my own color, I always pray and I always go, let's hope this time it works again. Right, so we're gonna start. So this is where my parting is. I'm gonna start from there. So I put on the parting like that. I don't know how I'm gonna do the back, but we've done that before. And we go on the root area and we smudge it like that. And we go a little bit down, more down where the highlights are. So I go like up to here. and that's why it's called root smudge, because we are smudging the roots. Okay, so let's go like that. We'll leave that in the back. We concentrate first this bit, and I use the bottle top like that. I do a line, turn it over. Gosh, I haven't done that for a long time on my own hair. I forgot how much hair I have and how complicated it is to do your own hair. After that, I will of course brush the hair so I can have a little bit of the color going down, and I'm not going to do any toner on the ends, on the mid lengths, because when I'm washing off this color it will go down a little bit and it will act as a toner for the rest of the hair a little bit. So guys, I have applied, and I have a little bit of help in the back because I really can't see and I have a lot of hair. The whole product is applied, and now what I'm doing is I'm brushing it, and I know it's messy. Yep, normally, well, I don't work like that on my clients, but it's like that when you have too much hair and when you do your hair by yourself. So I'm gonna brush it like that because I want to go a little bit down the whole color, and I want to blend nicely. I did forget as well to get my proper comb for doing that, so yeah, I forgot a lot of stuff. And as you can see, it's blending nicely, and hopefully I don't end up too dark. So that's what's happening now. I'm gonna leave it to develop for like probably 20 minutes, and then I'll wash it off and I'll show you the final result. Hi guys, so this is the final result. It's really nice and shiny, my hair, and the blend is really beautiful here. I'm not sure if I like it. I'm so used to being blonde and I'm keep changing my colors and I'm keep trying new stuff. I would have wanted to be a bit lighter here, but because I did make a mistake taking the lower peroxide and my hair went a bit darker here, and then I'm gray here. For people who love gray, it's okay, but I think dark colors, they don't suit me that much like the light colors. Even if my eyes, natural eyes, the color is like dark, but it's still warm, so I think I need a little bit lighter on my hair. Yeah, let me know what you think, if you like my color. And I think I might do a video of a little bleach part. I will put probably bleach and shampoo and try to remove a little bit from the gray, because I think this is too cool color for me. And yeah, stay tuned so you can see the next video. Love you lots, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.